Aircraft. Meaning: aircraft refers to any vehicle or machine capable of flying, including airplanes, helicopters, and other types of flying machines. Definition: aircraft is a noun that refers to any kind of vehicle that is designed to travel through the air, either by using wings, rotors, or other aerodynamic methods of lift. Examples in sentences: 1. The airport saw several aircraft taking off every hour, carrying passengers to various destinations around the world. Here, aircraft refers to the airplanes used for passenger transportation. 2. The military uses advanced aircraft for surveillance and defense missions, capable of reaching high speeds and flying at great altitudes. Here, aircraft refers to military airplanes or helicopters used for operations. Usage: aircraft is commonly used when talking about different types of flying machines, from commercial planes to military and private flying vehicles.
English practice.